Meaning of grade point average.
Grade point average.
Grade point average.
Grade point average.
Grade point average. A grade point average, GPA, is a measure of academic achievement in college or university that represents the average of all grades earned. Each course is assigned a numerical value, typically on a scale of 0 to 4 or 0 to 5, based on the student's performance in that course. The GPA is calculated by taking the sum of all these values and dividing by the total number of courses taken. A high GPA indicates a strong academic record and can be important for admission to graduate programs or employment opportunities.